We're looking at a 2016 Ford Escape SE. It's got 25,000 miles on it. All right, still got some factory warranty left. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's shadow black in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it does have the numeric keypad right here to lock and unlock the vehicle. Driver's side of the Escape is in great shape. It does have rear park assist, rear backup camera. It's got a power lift gate. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks to be in really good shape. Exterior of this Escape is in really good shape. It's a 16, 25,000 miles. All right, still got some factory warranty. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the beige and black door panels, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. All right, it's got the titanium and beige cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. All right, it is a power driver's seat. Got a little cargo tray here. Nice thick rubber floor mats. Does come with the keyless entry remote fob, keyless fob here. All right, middle console has a little tray, 2 USB ports and a power outlet down there. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. Alright, everything looks good there. Another convenient power outlet here. It is an automatic. Got your dual climate controls there. Going to have your AM, FM, CD player, radio display right there, and the backup camera. We'll show you that in just a second. It does have Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. And then over here on this side is your cruise control. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 25,878 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you your radio display here. Alright, it does have the Microsoft Sync system. Alright, CD player up here. Let me get you back to your home screen. Alright, there's the home screen. Okay, you got different apps down here at the bottom. You got audio, climate, phone, apps, settings. You go to audio. Okay, then you can go to your climate setting. Set all that. Go to the app setting. You do have Bluetooth. And then your factory settings here. So you got 911 assist, voice control, Wi-Fi, vehicle display, all these. Alright, let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, and then that beeping sound you hear, that's the sonar, rear sonar, or park assist. Alright, let's show you your dual climate controls here. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Does have the rubber floor mats in the back here as well. Power outlet down here. Back seat cloth's in good shape. Alright, no problems at all. Got the convenient cup holder right there coming down. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. Alright. It's got the power lift gate. Nice and smooth coming up. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. Spare tire underneath. Alright, got another power outlet right here. And simply press this button here. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see, 18-inch chrome wheels. All right, those aren't caps, that's real chrome wheels, 18 inches. Brand new set of tires. All right, tires are in great shape. Once again, it's a 2016 Ford Escape SE. 25,000 miles on it. Still got some factory warranty. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in fantastic shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.